Introducing the versatile hand pallet truck by Koosen. Perfect for industrial and commercial use. With a weight capacity of 200 to 300 kg, this steel truck is designed for storage purposes. Featuring pneumatic wheels and a pallet package for easy transportation, this unfolding truck has a paint surface treatment and comes with CE certification, made in China. Enjoy 12 months of post-purchase support and warranty with the hand pallet truck.